Are you seeing errors created by the PJL-mon library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Before diving into the PJL-mon library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the PJL-mon library, the printer job language PJL monitor. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of bi-directional communication with PJL-compliant printers. It facilitates the data link for retrieving printer status manifests, paper jams, toner levels, via standard ports. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore PJL-mon library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including PJL-mon library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the Application Setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. If you're attempting to register PJL-mon library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including PJL-mon library management references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing PJL-mon library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.